This salad is from a restaurant that my husband and I love going to together, and honestly, the Wildfire chopped salad is the best thing on the menu. A hack to make any salad better is to put the plate in the fridge or freezer for a little bit before you serve it, and then you have a chilled salad plate just like at the restaurant. It makes it so much better. Avocado. And there's usually tomatoes, but my grocery order was missing my tomatoes for some reason, so we are skipping them. I'm just using some frozen corn, so I'm going to heat a little bit up in the microwave. Blue cheese crumbles, green onions, chop the bacon, and add the chicken. I just roasted mine in the oven. Rotisserie would be great. Then we are going to crunch up some tortilla chips and put it on top. The original recipe has tortilla strips, but we're just using chips. We went heavy on the chips. The best part about this salad is the citrus lime vinaigrette, and you can buy it at the store, but I am going to make my own, so let's make it. I forgot the Dijon mustard. Much better. Got the chilled salad plate. Here it is, a giant bowl of salad. This is definitely a hungry girl salad recipe. Let's give it a try.